Welcome to this tutorial. How to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. Ever had that frustrating moment when you're scrolling through your feed, eagerly awaiting the latest posts, only to be greeted by the dreaded message, "Couldn't refresh feed"? Trust me, we've all been there. But fear not, because today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of fixing this pesky Instagram error. Our step-by-step guide will ensure you're back to scrolling through your feed in no time. So let's learn how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed and reclaim our scrolling sanity. First of all, check that your internet is not off on your phone and your internet is working properly. Open Settings on your phone and tap on the apps to open it. Scroll down the list of apps to the Instagram app and tap on it. Tap on the storage option. Let's clear the cache. To do so, tap on the Clear Cache button. Try to reopen the Instagram app. If still you are facing an issue, then try to restart your phone. An outdated Instagram version can also give you an issue. Open the Google Play Store. Tap on your profile icon at the top right. Tap on the Manage Apps and Device. Tap on the Manage tab at the top. Now, tap on the Instagram app. Tap on the Update button. Once the Instagram is updated, then try to open the Instagram. If the problem persists, then tap on your profile icon in the Instagram app. Tap on the three horizontal lines of the menu at the top right. Tap on the Settings. In Settings, scroll down to the Help section and tap on it. Tap on Report a Problem and follow the instructions to submit a report related to your feed issues on Instagram. Wasn't that quick and easy? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.